Hi, I'm Juan Miguel Simbulan, presenting find the standard equation of the circle which has a diameter with endpoint -4 and -3 and 2 and 5. Standard equation of the circle which has a diameter with endpoint -4, -3, and 2 and 5. And we also know a diameter is a chord that passes through the center. The endpoint of the center is -2, 5, -4, and -3. Tandaan na sa pagkuha ng standard equation, kailangan lang ay center at radius. Paano nga ba kuhanin ang center at radius? Ang given natin ay 2 endpoint. Paano makuha ang center? Kailangan makuha ang kalahating diameter using midpoint formula. At para makuha naman ang radius, we need to get the distance of center papunta sa alinman na dalawang endpoint. So ito ang formula ng midpoint at distance. For the midpoint, use the coordinate x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. For the distance formula, square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus y sub 2 plus y sub 1 square. So let's try to solve the given problem. To identify the center, we're going to substitute our two given endpoint in our midpoint formula. So yung first endpoint natin, which is -4 and -3, will serve our x sub 1 and y sub 1. And 2 and 5 is x sub 2 and y sub 2. By substitution, we have x sub 1 is -4. X sub 2 is 2. Y sub 1 is -3 plus x sub y is 5 over 2. So, -4 plus 2 is -2. -3 plus 5 is 2. -2. To get the radius, kailangan makuha ang distansya ng center sa alinman sa dalawang endpoint using our distance formula. Over 2 is -1. 2 over 2 is 1. So, our distance formula is x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus x sub y sub 1 minus x sub y sub 1 squared. Ang center natin is -1 and 1. So for solution 1, ginamit natin ang endpoint na -4 and -3. And sa solution number 2, ang ginamit natin ang endpoint na 2 and 5. So, ang gagawin, substitute natin yung -1 and 1 and -4 and -3 sa distance formula. So, ito siya. -1 minus -4 square plus -3 -1 square. So, makukuha natin -1 minus -4 square is 3 squared. Ito naman, -3 minus 1 squared is 4 squared. -3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 squared is square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So, ganun din dito. Same lang ang lalabas na sagot kapag 2 and 5 ang ginamit. So, this is the standard equation of our circle. X plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equal 25. And I will show you the graph of the standard equation of our circle. So x plus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equal 25. So center is -1 and 1. Radius is 5. So see, this is the center. Here's the -1 and 1. So here the radius. This is the circle. B. Identify the center and radius of the circle with an equation x squared plus y squared equal 121. Center is 0, 0. Radius is 11. This is the graph. Here's the radius and the center is 0, 0.